Hi everyone, my name is Jumari Alboro and my partner is
I'm Wesley Katamisan.
and I will cook fish steaming.
First, cut the ginger. And the next is and the second is rolling onion. This is the ginger, this is the pepper, this is the oil, and this is the salt, and this is rolling onion, and this is oyster sauce, and the magic syrup. Let's lagyan natin ng asin. Tapos lagyan natin ng pepper. Then, katapos, balik na rin natin. Tapos, ganun lang din. Lagyan natin ng asin. Tapos, pepper. Ganun lang kaya kadali mga baby. Tapos, ilagay natin sa ating pinaglutuan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng ginger. Tapos, lagyan natin ng rolling onion. Tapos, lagyan natin ng Mamacita's oyster sauce. Kayo na ang bahala kung ano yung ititimpla nyo. Tapos, lagyan natin ng oil. Tapos, lagyan natin ng magic syrup.
I-steam na natin tong isda after 15 to 20 minutes.